liquid ripping right here.
Uh-oh. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. You want to take a picture real quick? Sorry, just take a picture. So, could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
Mark, it's four Contralto 15s on a 10K. Lithium.
Nice. You built the box?
No, I had a buddy build it for me.
Okay.
He's bought, not built.
All right. Do you know what it's tuned to? The box?
41.
Okay. And you got a big sunroof.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's why it's not welled off.
You really probably hate like the flex on this, but this is pretty cool how you have.
It doesn't work anymore.
It doesn't? Base broke it?
Yeah, the second week on 215.
Really? Oh, so you've upgraded since. Okay.
Yeah.
In a Kia? What vehicle is this?
Kia Soul Plus.
Soul Plus, all right.
Make it a good.
What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we got of Mark's system he had in his Kia Soul Plus subwoofer system. Looking forward to showing you all how it sounds. If you haven't already, go ahead and give Mark a like. Did a really good job showcasing at the Made of Steel show in 2021. This was near the Tampa, Florida area. I really like the layout of his box with the actual speakers as well, so you could hear the lyrics as the bass was playing. And he had the song he played was playing down, it seemed like into the teen frequencies, but it was probably in the low 20s. The subs were pretty much at X max. I didn't find out the exact amplifier name that he said, but it is a 10,000 watt RMS amplifier all the way behind the seat. And the speaker pods are Rogue speakers with crescendo tweeters. The subwoofers are rated at 2,500 watts RMS each, so probably getting right at where the power is needed for the subs. I didn't find out what the SPL score was, but the back port you could tell was tuned really low. Having that really deep port with optimal port area helped with the low end response. And notice him having the subwoofers up with the port facing back helped as well with loading on the back hatch. And you'll see with my wife getting the outside flex. It was really crazy flex, tearing up the back of his hatch as he was showing in the introduction. So we're going to go and get to the pretty crazy bass demo now. Really low frequency response from these subs. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos coming your way every day on YouTube, JacobViral, and enjoy this impressive X-Max subwoofer flex demo.
Good song for you.
Thank you, man. Yeah, man. This, you really probably hate like the flex on this, but this is pretty cool how you have.
It doesn't work anymore.
It doesn't? Base broke it?
Yeah, the second week on 215.
Really? Oh, so you've upgraded since. Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, nice to
Thanks for showing me. In a Kia? What vehicle is this?
Kia Soul Plus.
Soul Plus. All right. Awesome.